everyone, welcome to the Life Thoughts Camera YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be talking about the Canon G3000 printer. In this video, I will be focusing on the unboxing, a quick setup, and first impression. Do check out my future videos in which I'll be doing a step-by-step installation, setup, and another video after 6 months of usage. You can view these videos by clicking on the eye icon on the top right corner. About the brand. Canon is a Japanese brand that specializes in industrial products such as cameras, lenses, medical equipment, scanners, printers, etc. It was founded in the year 1937 and they have a global presence. Please do check out my description box for their official website link. Why did we choose this product? We basically bought the printer as they are in many shops close by. Where did I buy it from? We bought this printer from Amazon. Please do check the description box for the shopping link. Cost and warranty of the product. The printer costs 14,285 rupees and this was introduced to the market in the year 2016. As for warranty, you get a 1-year warranty from the date of purchase. Product packaging. This is how we received the product from our Amazon seller. The Canon box was just wrapped with some transparent film. Upon opening the box, we found thermocol packaging that not only gave good protection but also held all the parts in place. Contents inside the package. The setup. The setup was not that hard. We just followed the manual and started joining all the parts. We do not need any tools for setting up this printer either. Don't forget to check out my step-by-step setup instructions video. I will be posting it soon. How does it look when it is fully assembled? This is how it looks when it is fully set up. The setup mainly involves installing the printer heads and adding the ink. My first impression. It has a boxy dimension and looks pretty neutral. It does go very well with a home space or even an office space. Also, if you're interested in lifestyle, do check out my other videos. Now, don't forget to thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!